Hello everyone, this is Janice, and today I will be showing you how to make a handmade flower out of yarn. The materials for this project are as follows. You will need any kind of masking tape. You will also need a pair of scissors, a sequence for the flower, a sewing needle, a glue gun, and also you need some yarn. It can be any color of yarn of your choice. Today I will be using the colors red, pink, and an off-white color. This is a really simple project to make, and it requires a couple of minutes to make, so I am very excited to show you how this project is going to turn out. First of all, the first thing you have to do before you start making your flower, you're going to pick the colors that you need, and you will have 4 of the same color, like say 4 reds, 4 pinks, and then 4 off-white. So once you have them all cut and the same length, you can make them as long as you want. The longer the yarn is, the bigger the flower is going to be. So if you want it to be a little smaller, then you just cut pieces of yarn a lot shorter. So once you have all your 4 strands of each color, you are going to combine all of them and make sure that you put all the strands even, and then you get the last color. And then once you have all the colors combined, then the next step is going to be to join them together and make a knot. So make sure you get all the strands all in there. And once you have all the strands, then with the masking tape, you just need a little piece of masking tape. And the reason why I'm using masking tape is so this stays in place and it doesn't move as you're doing your work here. So once you have that in place, you will get your 4 colors, or if you want to use 3 colors you could. If you want to use 4 colors, that's fine, but I am using 3 colors today. So once you have your colors separate, make sure you stretch them out a little bit because they get a little wrinkly on all the colors. So this project is basically like making a braid. So once you have all the colors, then you start from the top, then you start going over each color and you pull as you go. And you continue braiding all the way till you get to the end, and then once you get to the end, you will cut a piece of yarn of any color, and then you're going to join all the colors together so they all stay in one place, and then you will make a knot. So just continue going all the way to the end. Once you get about close to the end here, then you would stop. Then you hold the ends together like this, and then with a piece of yarn, you're going to join it together. You're going to make a knot. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then you'll make another knot. Okay, so now you have all the strands hanging down here. So because these are long, then with my scissors, I will cut a piece off of here. So this piece here we don't need, so that's basically trash. Then once you have that done, then you remove the masking tape, and this is how it's supposed to look with all the colors combined. Now the next thing is to start making the flower. Now here at the top, we want to make sure you can cut some of those strands off because you don't want them to be too long. So just cut them off a little bit with the scissors. Okay, so now we're going to get the sewing needle, and I'm going to use the color red. And the purpose of this is because when we start making the flower, we're going to go in between the yarn so the flower stays in place, because you're going to start curving and curving, going around in a circle. So that's why you need one of these sewing needles. Once you insert the yarn into the needle, then you will make a knot at the end of the piece of the yarn that you are using. So now we're going to start going inward with the tip of the flower. Then you're going to start going around in a circle like this. And then with your needle, you're going to go in between all the rows here that you're creating, and you're going to hold that into place. Okay, so now basically you just want to go in between the flower, making sure that all the rows are combined. Just go around in a circle. Okay, now I am back, and this is how the flower is turning out. And basically, at the end, you will make your final knot to hold it in place. And then I will turn my flower over, and then I will insert into the yarn there, and then I would secure it with a knot. Once I have my knot complete, and then I just cut a little piece off of the yarn. Once I have that cut, then I will add a little sequence to the center of the flower, just like this, and then I will show you how I made that. Okay, I am back now and I will show you how I put the sequins in the center of the flower. So I use my glue gun here, and you just need a little bit of the glue gun, the glue into the flower. Once you have the glue sitting on the flower here, then with the sequins you just put it down, press firmly until it stays. Okay, so there is the flower, and I think a little sequins would look really cute, really sparkly. And these little flowers, you know, you can put them on beanies, you can put them on headbands, you can also make like a pin. You can put like a safety pin back here, and then you can put it on your blouse. Like for special occasions, like for Valentine's Day, and these are really pretty colors for Valentine's Day, which is coming up here in a couple of weeks. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe, especially if you are into crocheting. And if you have any suggestions or any ideas that you would like me to make, please let me know. And other than that, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.